Hi, I'm Rajesh Miranda. I'm a professor at Texas A&M Health Science Center. It's Texas A&M Health Science Center, and I study fetal development and maternal fetal birth outcomes. I'm very interested in fetal brain development and particularly the effects of drugs of abuse like alcohol on fetal brain development. Of all of the known drugs of abuse, alcohol and perhaps nicotine are probably among the worst in terms of the long-term persistent effects that they have on brain function throughout the lifetime of a human, or you can show this in animal models as well. Um, it is well known, for example, that there are learning deficits and decision-making deficits, mathematical skills and such that are lost due to prenatal alcohol exposure. What is perhaps less known is that there are other consequences as well. Early life experiences can permanently reprogram, for example, your cardiovascular system, the endocrine system, so you could be at increased risk for obesity or diabetes. We've found, for example, that it could be an increased risk for adverse stroke outcomes if you have a prenatal alcohol exposure in animal models. There's also evidence that prenatal alcohol exposure can rewire the circuitry in the brain that controls reward or perceptions of reward, and so that the individual might be more likely to seek drugs such as alcohol or other drugs of abuse and have increased preference for these drugs compared to people who were not, or individuals who were not prenatally exposed to alcohol. All of these studies come from animal models, but they suggest that there might be real world consequences, and if you have an adolescent or an adult with an addiction problem, it might have occurred due to programming during fetal life, not just during the adult period or the childhood period.